Hi, good morning, good evening. So, depend on time when you are watching it. We made a video last time when we were discussing about this fall, and now we had a good move upside, which we feel as a fourth wave up, and now we are waiting for final fifth wave downwards. And if you look at this chart, which we posted yesterday, that means on 24th evening on our Twitter handle, and we mentioned the movement looks like upside is over. And if you look at our Twitter handle, you will be seeing these targets and all given already. Every day we were posting these charts. So as we mentioned, we track mostly on 30-minute charts and we trade based on 30-minute time frame only. And here yesterday we mentioned, if you look at the retracement of this larger fall, the move which we made till 40,201 is up to 50%. This is not a good confirmation that uptrending rally started. No. And now, if you look at the fall again, and now it is ended at 38.2% approximately. And if you look at the waves, we counted it as 1, 2, and this is 3, and we are thinking this is the 4 because that second wave is very small, so we are expecting this fourth is very time consuming, and it did it. And now it might have started fifth, and fifth can either go near to the recent lows, or sometimes it may get truncated and move up, but still we have not yet got confirmation today that it breaks. Breaking 38% will take, but again it's a closing week, so we have to wait for the next week and see how it moves. Okay, and now we do see other alternative waves, like let's say for this 3, if 4 is over here and we see some kind of ending diagonal where this got looks like a truncated fifth wave, and from here if you look at, you see 5 waves upside again here. This made us to relook at our wave counts as 4 and 5 here, and now this is up move. There is no restriction that C wave of corrective fourth cannot be 5 waves. It can be, okay, because this is A and this is B and this can be C. Okay, so now we have alternate possibilities, like if this is over here, the down move truncated and a new move started, it's going to be one, and the other move that we are seeing now could be corrective move, and from here it might go up. Okay, and another possibility, if it is still a fifth wave, it can almost go to this downside of the third wave, or it can also go much lower. Okay, and now we do see other possibility, like this is a lower shoulder and this is head. I don't know if you can see the, let me close this one, and yeah, now you can see it here. um, this is the left shoulder and this is a header and this is a right shoulder, and the white line you see as a neckline, it has given a breakout. Okay, and why we are saying it as a neckline, because it got rejected and spent some time before giving a breakout. That's the reason the move was really good. Okay, and now it looks like it retested that line, and let's see, if it does not break this low which it made today and start moving upside, we consider buy only after breaking of this high. Okay, and the good move in the market may come if it breaks this 50% again. Okay, so until then we have to just watch and wait, and this is a 30 minutes time frame that we are tracking, And if you look at all the retracement, like if it's a larger retracement of this fall, it's not yet confirmed, downtrend is over, and still it says it can move down. And if you look at the retracement of this minor upside move, it's still not yet confirmed that it started moving downside. So it just gave a close, weekly close, and expiry closes. We can't give any confirmation. We have to just wait and watch and see tomorrow how it goes, the new week, then we can say. Okay, so this low is going to be our re-entry level for short side, and high of this is going to be our entry upside. Okay, till then we will wait and watch. Okay, and now let me go to daily charts. I'm in daily charts, and we have been following this larger trend line for up move, uptrending channel, and we are also looking at this downward moving channel in the daily chart, and I'm zooming it. Okay, now if you look at this down move, you see couple of pin bars and continuous pin bars, and it made a pullback, and now it has corrected. And now we are trying to see the retracement over here. As we saw in 30 minutes, it's not yet crossed this 50% of the move, and now it started moving. Usually when we uh, try to take a trade, what we do is breaking of a green candle is a kind of confirmation towards the down move. Similarly, breaking of a red candle, we consider it as a uptrending move. So now even if you look at our Twitter handle, we might have posted a 5 minutes chart on options. If a new person who really wanted to make money, they can go to 5 minutes time frame and trade based on just 5 minutes red candle and green candle strategy. If you want to eliminate some noise, you can add some filters as per your understanding of the indicators or price action or whatever it is. So usually when red candle high breaks, it's a new trending move. When green candle low breaks, it's a reversal move. And now if you look at here, very recent green candle is broken today, and the low of green candle is 366.30 points. And if you look at here, close has given upside. Close did not confirm green candle is broken, and of course it hit maybe in the rally. I mean the corrective flow, it would have broken with the pressure, but close has given upside. Now we are waiting where it can go. Okay, and one more observation what we have seen usually in the markets is, if there is a trend upside and it is going to end, there will be very minor pullbacks. Pullback is not going to be bit sharper, but it's going to be very minor within the ranges of few days, and then it start breaking it. If you look at here, this is a bigger range, and you see pullback is much bigger over here, and it has gone up, and again you have seen a kind of good pullback. But if you come over here, your pullbacks are very minor. Okay, and then it has broken and started falling. And if you look at this also up move, so you see a good pullback in this downward candle, and even gap down, open and fall. But when it get closer to the reversal point, it does not give much pullbacks. Okay, it breaks. And here also, so when you are looking at any trend, you need to understand the pullback is not going to be kind of 50% or something. It will be much lesser, and then it will confirm you that I'm going to end my trend, so that it will start a reversal trend. And now if you look at these moves are very bigger in nature. Okay, and this one, and now if you look at this up move, it is very small and again reversed. So maybe in future, if it breaks this high and started moving up, we initiate it as a buy. Okay, until then we don't go for long. High of this 40,200 1 rupee, and we say for confirmation 202 rupees should be taken away towards upside, then we will go long, otherwise we will not. And one more concept, let's say market confirmed with a new low, let's say this is a low, usually this is a low and it did not make a new low, but again here it made a new low, which says that this support is broken over here. And what we usually do is from the new low to the recent high, we will take a Fibonacci retracement from here to here, and we track for 50%. So this is the place where you can go for a new entry towards the short side. Okay, you can go back and validate this phenomena, so that you will really know where you can initiate a new trade towards the trend. Let's say this is a new low. You can't go and take a trade over here as it is broken the support. No, you have to wait for a pullback. Approximately to 50% it will pull back in couple of time periods depending on the time frame you are trading. And when it hits this 50%, you can take a initiated trade towards the direction of the trend. So it's a direction towards the down, breaking supports. So we initiate shorts over here at 50% and it has fallen. And let's see again whether it can take out this low or not. If it cannot take out this low, then we will look for two candles. What are the two candles? Opposite candles, like red candle and green candle. This is some kind of fight between buyers and sellers, and if at all it has taken very recent high of the red candle, then we will cover our shorts. That's the way that you trail your positions. I repeat it, you are in a profitable position, and if you see this low is not broken, which confirms the trend is continuous, but it is not broken, it tried to reverse here. How do you know it's trying to reverse? You need to have a opposite color candle. Like here you have seen a red candle and here you have seen a green candle. So if you see two opposite color candles and then breaking of the red candle high confirms it's reversing. So you square off your short positions there and wait for taking out this break upside for a good uptrending move. This is how we do. Again, I repeat the entire concept. In a trending move, the pullback should be much smaller, and the trend after that pullback should not break for a new low, confirming the trend continuation. So it did not confirm, it reversing back with the opposite color candles, and you take out your stop loss on breaking of very recent directional candle high. Okay, this is the concept we usually follow for our trades. And we have observed another concept in monthly charts. Okay, I'm going to the monthly charts and I'm trying to add 10 period moving average. Okay, and I'm going and adding 10 period exponential moving average. Okay, so here is one concept. If you are a positional trader, or if you are somebody who is busy with your profession or job or any work kind of things, there is a way that you can trade positional trades using this 10 period moving average on monthly charts. Okay, yes, I do agree. Bank Nifty you cannot buy, but you can buy Bank Bs, or you can buy positional features as well if you can take bit risk, or if you can take a little bit of risk in options, you can trade options as well. Okay, and now the concept is you wait for a Bank Nifty to move either side of your indicator. Let's say we are here, we don't go any trade over here, we sit and watch to give a close below this 10 period moving average. Why we are saying below? Because we are on the higher side of the 10 period moving average. 10 period moving average is here in at green line, but the current market price is trading somewhere here in this month, that's a December 2022, and we wait for a close below this, or we let it come over here to initiate a new long positions until and unless it gives a close below this 10 period moving average. Okay, now current month, if you see, it is still not yet closed. If you look at January and if you look at February, both the months did not give a close below 10 period average. It has touched below, but it did not give. It's not a confirmation to exit your longs. Okay, and now what you need to do is you need to see where the month of March will give close. Let's say month of March has given a close below this 10 period moving average, then that confirms the downtrend momentum in the bank nifty. So you no need to hold any positions on long side in the bank nifty. So when can you enter again? When can you enter again towards the long? You can enter when monthly close has given about 10 period moving average. If you understood this concept and keep trading in futures or options in intraday looking at the waves, you make wonderful money. Okay, and for you to understand this concept, I'll repeat this concept again from here. Okay, we are trading downward below the 10 period moving average on monthly charts. We wait for it. Okay, and now we have seen this candle. Where is it? April 2016. April 2016 has given a confirmed close above 10 period moving average on monthly chart, which says Bank Nifty is turning bullish. Okay, and there are some technical concepts where you can draw a line and see breakout has given or not, or a number of things you can validate whether it has given a breakout or not. You can check and do it, but this is the concept. When 10 period moving average above price gets closed on monthly basis, then that is a trade for you to initiate towards that direction. So here I go long in Bank Nifty or Bank Nifty Bs or any other ETFs based on banks. Okay, and I will hold it until again monthly close comes below the 10 period moving average. So I have bought over here, let's say on open of the next month candle or on the close of the same month, you can buy at somewhere around 326, 327, something like, you can do it, because if price is more than 30-40 points, you can't close in 30 points in a minute. Okay, and here it has traveled 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 months upside, and on the 8th month it has given a close below 10 period moving average. That means it's a 1 year move. So in 1 year move it has given a close below 10 period moving average. You book your profits or whatever you are in. Okay, and now again you wait for a buy opportunity, or you go short on the next month. Okay, and your position will be carried until the another bank nifty close given about 10 period moving average. Let's say bank nifty close has given over here. Okay, this is it. Okay, and now you enter. Of course you have a stop loss, you are shorted over here, but you have a little bit higher stop loss, but comparatively to the returns it is very less. Okay, and now from here on it is long and long and long and long. Up to here it is long because here it has given 10, you know 10 period moving average below closing monthly. Okay, monthly closing has come over here, so this entire move you would have made. And you can take any period of times, any choppy and narrow ranges. Your stop losses are going to be bit lesser comparatively to the biggest moves that you see, and you don't even need to look at your prices. Okay, and now, is there another way for me to book my profits bit earlier or to understand my direction? Yes, there is a way. We called this concept as a couple candle formation. Okay, we know, we just thought of naming it differently, so we made it a that verbiage. So if you look at, I'm just trying to highlight. So if you look at these two candles, I'm starting from here. I'll mark almost all possibilities. Okay, and here this is monthly candles, you can take any time frame, but the close of one red candle and open of green candle should be same, and they should move in opposite in their direction. Usually color changes, that means they moved opposite, but the close of red candle, open of green candle should be very near. There could be a slight here and there, wicks can be there, but the open and close prices should be very near. Okay, so close of this red candle is 10,101.20 paisa, sorry, 10,237.75 paisa, and open of this is 205. 30 points is a slight difference comparatively to the moves you see. It's a monthly chart. You can go to the lower time frame, you see just 1-2 rupee differences. So when you see this kind of formation, that says that direction can change in reverse. Okay, and which side ever it breaks the recent candle, that side it can move. And now it has broken upside of this green candle, very recent candle of couple candles, and it started moving upside. Okay, and here you saw a couple candles, and the direction of it is broken again upside, as it is broken downside but again upside, making these two as couple candles, and breaking of it will give you further move over here. And likewise, if at all you have made any long positions in bank nifty on monthly candles, you can look for couple candles to book it out and look for re-entry when it near the 10 period moving average again. Okay, and similarly you can track even in 30 minutes or daily. So these are, and this is one type of couple candle, and I will show you another type of couple candle. Here is also couple candles, but they are back to back. Okay, three. So you might have exited and then you can re-enter, so something like. Okay, and now you see, I don't call this as a couple candle because you see some kind of doji here. If you look at this wave up, I mean this movement up to this wick, that time there could be couple candles, but close has given upside, so you have to wait for another candle, and you don't need to worry about this. And you see here again couple candles with two wicks from the bottom. Okay, and whatever it is, your position to take entry is long side. If you are on the long side and close on monthly basis, it does not given below 10 period EMA, then you will be long. Okay, and you can take entry anywhere and wait for the close, and it has confirmed here as a close, and you can close your positions and wait for a couple candle. It has come over here again, the couple candle. If you look at, you might have seen this one as a couple candle, and breaking of red candle, and it made a couple candle, and in this month you have given confirmed buy. Yes, you can go for a long. Okay, and here you have seen again a couple candle. If you can partly book or full book to re-enter at a 10 period moving average, when you see couple candles, price retraces towards a 10 period moving average. Okay, it has given a break and again a couple candle here, and confirmed a buy, closing about 10 period on monthly. Okay, so, and it has far went again, and up to here it's a couple candle. It's a given again re-entry opportunities, or if you might have missed this move, that's okay. If you logged out, you can partially book or full book and re-enter. That's the concept. So here you see a couple candle and it has broken here, but again you see another couple candle, it started moving up. Okay, so again, as we mentioned, if you are looking at a uptrending move, I will show you with some Fibonacci retracements. This is a uptrending move, and this is a high. Let's say this is high, this high is taken out by this, and there is no pullback, it went up to here. So if you draw this line from here to here, and it have very less pullback, and again you see this as a recent high. And if you look at pullbacks are much stronger here. So when you see good pullbacks, you see a stronger rally. Okay, so here again you see very good pullback, and now from here again you see a good pullback. Okay, and I consider this as the pullback, and you see almost 50% pullback again. Okay, and now I'll go and draw from here to here or here to here. Okay, you see very less pullback, so market traded in very narrow. Okay, and later it started getting into sideways, and while you are going towards upside, you see very narrow pullbacks, very narrow. So here you see very narrow pullback. This something like, confirming your very limited up move. And if you go up to here, and you see 61%, so you see a good move. And now, okay, and now you see here, you don't even have a pullback and directly broken down this low. And if you look at the moves comparatively, I'll try to take a free line and show you. So the pullbacks, here is a good pullback, and here you see complete sideways range, and this pullback is very simple and very small, and after that the upside is also very limited. So this is a kind of reversal point in the market, and you have to be a bit cautious and wait for price closing below this 10 period moving average. And I will go like that, and if you see here, and so this is a fall, and if you take it up to here, you see near to 30, 40 30 sorry 40 to 50% down move. And if I take the recent one from here to here, and you see almost 61%. Okay, and if you go to the lower time frame, this is monthly, if you go to lower time frame, these pullbacks might be very smaller, like not even 38%. So that time there is a chance that it will break. Okay, and your 10 period moving average will help you much better in making huge money on bank nifty or any other stock you can take. But closely watch and trade and hold the position for longer period of times. Whichever the direction it is going on, it will give you good money. Okay, and unfortunately you cannot carry short positions in the cash market. You have to trade in either in futures or options derivatives market. Okay, this is a monthly, and now we are waiting if this month, March month close comes below 10 period moving average, then we see it as a confirmed sell on bank nifty. Okay, and we wait for it because we have another um, say 5 trading days, so it will decide whether it want to go down or up by giving a close. For 2 months it was giving close upside 10 EMA, and now it has given, trading below it, but let's see where it goes. And there is a concept in tendency in the market that there will be 7 consecutive days of new lows, but it has broken here. February couldn't make, so we can't confirm, but it is going to be red candles only, down move. But let's see, if it is 10 months, 7 months, then still we are waiting for another 3 months, which will be falling around 50% of our correction, where we can initiate longs. Okay, so it's almost 50% now, near to, but let's see where close comes. Okay, and here there is a chance couple candle may form, we don't know, but we have to just wait and watch and give time to the market to do it. Okay, and as I mentioned, this high is taken, you can't blindly go for a long. You have to wait for pullbacks up to where near to 50%, so that you can initiate the positions. Okay, yeah. And some people may trade in different kind of retracement. For example, it's a high and it's moving down, and it has broken this green candle, and if green candle low is falling somewhere around 38.2%, or round figure you can say 38%, or 36%, 33%, whatever it is, 30 plus. Okay, so if it has broken down, they might look for targets of something around 71 to 80, 90%. Okay, so if that kind of trade is initiated already at these levels, yes, we might be seeing somewhere here at the 35, 835 levels. I'm not scaring you, but you can add something like Bollinger Bands, and you can see where the 20 EMA and low of the band. Usually price moves between these, right? And there is also a trend line that we are drawing continuously on markets. So this is the trend line now. Market has not yet broken. Okay, so it's still there is a space for 20 EMA on monthly, and again you know this trend line. Okay, let's wait and watch what market tell us. Okay, and now we are seeing monthly 20 EMA, right? If you go to daily, there is a concept, or weekly you can go. Okay, so weekly, go to 200 EMA, weekly or daily you can go. So if that's a coincide like monthly 200 EMA and week monthly 20 EMA, and higher time frame is 20 EMA, lower time frame is 200 EMA. Okay, if at all any chart says that 20 EMA in higher time frame, uh, 200 EMA in lower time frame are coinciding, touching at the same levels, then there can be a chance that market will pull back. So now weekly is somewhere, weekly 200 EMA is somewhere too far, 40,621. So I don't think it's going to be pull back from these levels. It may further correct. And now I wanted to go to daily and see what daily 200 EMA is saying. So daily 200 EMA says it's already broken and rejected couple of times. So there is no point. It may, you know, again take support. There is no point of taking support. It would have taken multiple times. Okay, and still there is a down move as per trend line, as per monthly 20 EMA. Let's see what happens. And we have posted one chart. Let me close all these indicators which may confuse you. Okay, and even 20 EMA and also these Fibonacci's. Okay, and I'll leave it, no worries. Okay, and we have posted one chart in the Twitter handle comparing this down move. Let me take some pencil so that you'll understand. Okay, this down move with this down move, so the similarity of the correction. So how this wave has come and it has come, and then a pullback, and then now we posted yesterday we were here, and now we are in this phase. So we are, I don't know whether we are up to here or this is incorrect, I don't know. Market will reveal the fact. So right now we feel we are at here as per our study, and we wait for it whether it break this or whether it break this. Okay, so that we will initiate the trades. Okay, that's it guys. We covered only bank nifty. Okay, and if you are an investor, you can use our monthly 10 EMA strategy, which will help you to build positions in the long side. Okay, trade with good stocks. Don't go for penny stocks or cheap stocks. Cheap in the sense low quality stocks. I don't say by price wise, but I say by quality of the company wise. So um, you guys can track and follow them. Don't look at the news and all. You just follow what data is saying. Okay, and as we discussed already, monthly chart still suggests us down move as per wave theory. Okay, we consider it as a wave and this as a B wave, and we are still looking for C wave. Okay, and let me remove this here. I don't know, if I remove other things may go off. Okay, and now what we were saying is, earlier we have marked as five waves completed here, and this is a wave and this is a B impulsive correction, and we are expecting C up to at least 36,821, or if time is not good, we may see this low as well. But before that, there could be one pullback in the market, which says that it's a C wave, at least three waves in C wave. Okay, all the best, guys. Keep commenting if you want to know anything. I'll try to cover that in upcoming videos. My apologies, I couldn't make videos daily or every day, 3 4 videos. No, I just post my videos whenever I find time to do. Okay, yeah, that's it. Thank you.